Okay, I'm lying down on my stomach because I'm prepping for the next basic, but I think one of the most fundamental, safest positions that we can do. And it's called the Cobra. This is strengthening our whole back, especially the lower back. And this is a super beginner's position, but I still do this. I teach many students to do this position. And until you're ready to move up to the next stage, just stay in this position for a while. I should say, do this position for a while. So my feet are hip width apart, okay? I'm gonna come up and use my forearms, okay? Now how far should they be in front of me? Now, ideally, we want the elbows underneath the shoulders. And then we want the arms a little bit wider than the torso. Okay? If you're barrel chested, maybe you want to go a little bit wider. For me, I don't have that big of a wide of a chest, so my arms are not going to be that wide. My fingertips are spread apart. Okay? Now, watch. A lot of people sink down like this. We don't want to do that because that's going to aggravate the shoulders and the area between the shoulder blades and those muscles that attach the shoulder blades to the spine. So I want to lengthen my spine upward. I want to push my forearms into the floor, and then kind of, if this makes sense, I want you to push the rib cage against the shoulder blades. And then my head's in a neutral position right here. I'm going to engage and tighten the muscles in my butt and my quadriceps. And I'm going to come back for a back bend. I'm going to try to extend my sternum, my manubrium. Okay? Don't worry about it if you don't know what that is. It's about right here. Just think the breastbone. Okay? I'm going to come up and extend and push in with those forearms. Stay there for 5 to 10 breaths. Now, if you want to see the shape of the arms, okay, well, if you want to come on up and maybe you can see that, okay, and think of from the pubic bone up to my collarbones, I want to extend that whole line. And again, my head's in a neutral position. I'm not bringing my head all the way back because I don't want to impinge my basilar artery, okay, and my cervical spine, okay? Stay here for as many breaths as you can, and then slowly come on down. Place the chin on the hands. We're all done.